Mornings Flosstube. It's Dawn with the Mindful Needle. This here is Buddy, and we're here to wish you happy holidays and bring you my latest floss tube. As you can see, I've been busy decorating for Christmas, and Buddy here seems to really like the tree behind me. I caught him climbing it yesterday, so hopefully he will behave himself. I'm going to put him down now, and hopefully he'll go settle down somewhere. So, welcome back. I'm glad you decided to join me today. I want to welcome back my subscribers, and we've had 4 or 5 new subscribers this week, so that's wonderful. And I'd like to welcome all of you. If you haven't yet, you're just finding me now, that's great. The more the merrier. We'd love to have you. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you all hit the like button. And ring that bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. So I do have quite a few FFOs today. I do have 17 of the JBW Designs Christmas Tree Collection. I have 17 fully finished, and I have 3 left to finish. So those are sitting in my finishing room and waiting to go. So I have 17 fully finished objects, and I do have one WIP to share with you. But first thing I want to show you, I don't remember if I did this last time or not, and I should have gone back and looked, but I didn't. So I posted this on my Instagram, and it's kind of hard to tell, and I don't know if the video is going to be any better or not, but I posted this on my Instagram. I saw it on Pinterest, and I thought, I'll give it a try, see if I can do this. So I'm fiddling with it, sorry. Trying to get it ready to show. I kind of popped it. All right, here we go. Just this cute little, most people I think would look at that and go pincushion. In fact, I asked my mom, and she said pincushion, and a couple other people have said pincushion, but it's not. This is really cool. This is a thread catcher. All you do is push down on the inside, and it pops open. See my threads all down in there? All my little thread ends. And what's nice is when you're done stitching, you push all your thread ends down in the bottom, hold this, twist it, and nestle it right in the bottom. They're all tucked in secure. You can toss it in your project bag, and away you go. So this was a lot of fun to make. I did follow, I'll put a link below to where I found the tutorial for this. It calls for, you could use a fat quarter of fabric. You'll need a little bit of batting or felt, a little bit of cardboard, or I used comic board, and then it calls for a Pringles can that you cut to get this ring. My ring actually came from the leftover spool, the empty spool that I had from trim that I was using, and it was large enough to make it, because we don't eat Pringles in this house. I love them, and I would eat way too many of them, and so I just keep the Pringles out of the house. So, but it worked out great, and I love this little thing because I had to take my dad to the retinologist on Monday. I tossed this in my bag, and I just set it up in my car next to me because I had to wait outside, and I just sat in my car and happily stitched away for the hour that he was in seeing the eye doctor. So it was great. And then when I was done, folded it back up, put it back in my bag, and away we went. So just wanted to share that with you because I absolutely love that. And it was quite simple to make. There's one seam that you sew on your sewing machine. The rest is hand sewn, but it's real easy, simple hand sewing. So it's not anything difficult to make. It took me maybe half hour to get it all done. So, all right, moving right along. WIPs. I have one WIP to share with you today. I've shared this in the past and I've pulled it back out now that my trees are just about done. And it's a Luhu Stitches. It's called Fluffed, of course. And I started stitching this about a month ago, and I got to a point, I had flowers done across the top, partially down this side, partially down this side, and I started the sheep, and I thought, I got so far and I thought, something's not right. I think I made a mistake. And then I got really, I just got frustrated. I was like, timeout. It goes in timeout. And that's what I do with my projects. When I hit a brick wall, timeout. They go in timeout. So it sat in timeout. I've pulled it back out. And wouldn't you know it, I didn't make a mistake. So I could have been happily stitching all along. But so I have pulled it back out and begun stitching on it again. So here is my progress. You can see these spaces here are where the ears are going to be. So the top portion of the sheep is stitched, and I'm getting ready to start the ears there. And Buddy approves, so that's good. He's going to talk to me now, I can tell. I am using the called for 28 count raw linen from Zweigert, and I am using all the called for floss except for the black. I couldn't find my DMC 310, so I pulled Gentle Arts Black Licorice, and it works for me, so I think it looks good. So that's what I'm using for the black. So no real substitutions, just because I couldn't find the black. All right, let's see. Now it's time for my little FFO parade. And I have worked really hard on getting all of these little ornaments done. And I don't know how much room I have on the tree back here, but I may try to hang them on there after I'm done showing them all to you. So, but here they are. And then I have this one. Yeah, Buddy likes all my trees, and hopefully he won't take them off my tree if I put them on my tree. So you hear him talking. Why can't you be like your sister and just be nice and quiet? She's asleep in the window, so. Yeah, let's see, what else have I got? I'm going to start holding these up 2 at a time because it's going to take me forever. These two. I think I showed some of these last time, but now that I have all of these done, all 17 of these done, I'm just tickled pink. I can't believe I got all of these done. I had to go get more of this gold trim. I really like this gold trim that I've been using, and I ran out, so I had to go get more from Joanne. These two, and this is fun trim. This is from Lady Dot Creates, and it's called Snow, and I really like that too. And these two, almost there. These two, like I said, I think I showed some of these last week, but it's just, these two I think are my favorite ones. So there they are. There are 17 of 20 trees, and next week I should have the last 3 to share with you. So I don't have any haul this week. It's been kind of a quiet week. I've been busy helping my folks out. Like I said, I had to take my dad to the retinologist. My mom broke her tooth on Monday, and the only time she could get into the dentist to get that repaired was Tuesday when my dad had his appointment. So the blessing of being laid off right now, I was able to take him. So that was great. So I've been helping them with some things and getting ready for my nephews to come back at Christmas time, trying to get the Christmas shopping done. So, but I'm going to get those last 3 trees done to show you next week, and hopefully there'll be some good progress on my little fluffed sheep, and maybe we'll even have a new start to see. So that's it for today. I thank you for joining me, and we'll see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. Happy stitching.